Hi there, I'm Alicia Bacon, and I'm going to tell you about the Homeownership Accelerator. If you're looking for the #1 way to build wealth, it's using your mortgage. With the Homeownership Accelerator, you pay off in about 5 to 10 years compared to a traditional mortgage. You save hundreds and thousands of dollars in interest, and you do all of this with no change to your everyday spending. With the Homeownership Accelerator, you build wealth by either saving a ton of money in interest, or you're given 24/7 access to your money so you can reinvest that money over and over again, knowing that you're paying yourself back at an accelerated pace. So if you want more information, take a look at the video I'm about to show you. It's a 5-minute video, it tells it all. And call me with any questions that you might have, or feel free to email me. Thank you.
If you've recently refinanced, you probably think you have a great loan. It's time to think again. In just 4 minutes, we'll introduce you to the most revolutionary home finance product ever. Introducing the revolutionary CMG Home Ownership Accelerator. Compared to a traditional loan, you could save tens of thousands in interest, pay off years earlier, and all with no change to your current spending habits. This is a revolutionary new mortgage. It is not a negative amortization loan, a low start rate gimmick, or the old biweekly loan payment game. Here's how it works. First, we finance up to 80% of the value of your home. Then, your paychecks are direct deposited into the CMG Home Ownership Accelerator mortgage. This greatly reduces your principal balance each time you get paid. When you need funds for any expenses, it works just like your old bank account. You write checks, use the ATM card, or do bill pay. But your money stays in your mortgage while you're not using it, keeping your loan balance lower, saving you 5 to 6% in interest costs, instead of earning 1 to 2% or less in your bank. We all know how it works. With traditional loans, your principal balance is constant all month long. Then it goes down a little when you pay your mortgage. But with the CMG Home Ownership Accelerator, your paycheck drives your loan balance down dramatically. And even if you spend most of your paycheck during the month, your average daily balance is much less. Interest is calculated on your daily balance, which is going to be less. So you save interest, and saving interest leaves more of your money for principal. You see, you just saved interest in 2 ways. First, the money you didn't need stayed in your mortgage, keeping your loan balance lower. Second, the money you did need for expenses even saved you interest, while it was waiting around in your mortgage to be spent. Your interest savings roll into the next month in the form of a lower starting principal balance, and this effect compounds month after month. So you can end up paying off years earlier compared to a traditional loan. In fact, because your loan balance can be so much less, it can even offset the impact of rising interest rates, even if rates double. The power of your money in your mortgage can overpower even a rising rate environment. Forget everything you knew about having the lowest interest rate. It's now about paying less interest on a lower principal balance. And the best part is, you do all this with no change to everyday spending. Your own money's doing all the work for you. Let's look at a typical borrower. The borrower has a gross income of $100,000 per year. They save 10% of their net income each month, and they have a $350,000 loan, fixed rate at 6% for 30 years. With the CMG Home Ownership Accelerator, they could cut nearly 14 years off their loan payoff and save over $200,000 in interest, all with no change to their spending habits. You can get more answers to frequently asked questions on the website. You can even test drive the loan with your own situation using the interactive simulator. You tell it about your income, debts, and expenses, and it tells you how much interest you could save and when you could pay off. You're certain to be a believer after that. How would you like to take the next step towards financial freedom? Just talk to a CMG certified mortgage professional today. There's no pressure, no cost, The only thing you have to lose is years off your mortgage.